Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add money to SoFi account on the main screen. Tap the More button. This will open a menu with several options. Select Deposit Cash. Once you tap it, you'll see a list of ATMs where you can deposit money into your SoFi Money account. Make sure you have your SoFi debit card with you, as you'll need to insert it into the ATM before depositing cash. Next, tap Find a location to search for nearby ATMs. Enter your address or zip code, and SoFi will show you multiple ATM options where you can make a cash deposit. Keep in mind that some ATMs may charge a fee for cash deposits, and the amount can vary depending on the machine. After locating a convenient ATM, simply visit it, insert your card, and deposit your cash. The money will be added to your SoFi Money account. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.